What's that?
This ain't no you talking about. Ain't talking about no. Talk about the solution.
He hung up.
Oh shit.
Hoover.
Oh shit.
Fort Worth.
Oh, come
You
on,
is
bro.
out of here. Hooverland, y'all. On Hoover, come to LA, you market. What's that? Dead. You, Fort Worth, all you on Hoover Street. I said that for Kunta. Bring your ass to LA. I'ma show you who I am. Gang. Hoover, dog. Went bad like it was supposed to. You niggas is not from our gang. Like I said, Fort Worth, period, Hooverland, y'all, Hollywood, Kunta, Percy, come to LA. I dare you. You're not welcome in the 50s. You damn sure can't come to the 90s. And everybody else that you go to, come on, run it. On Hoover. You niggas f***ed up. I swear, you Fort Worth is no longer from Hoover Street. If you can understand what I'm saying, if you can understand English, that shit is over with. Those dudes are from here and now Worth are called Fort Worth Crips.